So, good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone. So, we will be conducting a alternative process of fingerprint. So, we have our basic materials, plate, and candle, then candle holder, magnesia, then para kinipod, ay dili mo sigtulo ang sa kandila sa surface. Then we have toothbrush, alternative naman po ni siya. Kaya wala man tayo laing brush o kini para sa pagsiga sa kandila. So, start na ta. Dapat ikuha lang siya sa kalayo within 1 inch estimate lang. Aron masut iyang kuan plato. So after getting the suit sa plato, so muna siya itong lemon powder. So with the help of our brush, i-gather na to siya, no? So let's start. So after gathering the suit, so we have our improvised powder. So it's put our fingerprint. So after getting the putting the powder, the improvised powder, we have our tape. So we'll put our fingerprint impression into the tape. So this is our the final process. So we will put the fingerprint impression to the board for examination. So this is the final stage of our taking of fingerprint impression by improvised materials. So this is our final product and ready for examination.